super would within days or moments of
This
moving
is
out.
James. He's about to roll over.
Yes, ma'am. She was moving out
Come
and
on,
ending
buddy.
the intimate relationship that you had had over 2 years.
Come on, buddy.
Why you would ask her, and more importantly, why she would give you $3,700.
He's never rolled over
I don't
before.
understand that.
Okay,
He
first of all,
goes.
the relationship ended in
Come on,
mid-October.
bud.
This is about the same time I
Get that arm under there. You go.
October of
Oh.
what year?
of 07.
Come on, buddy.
So continued.
Come on.
So you're telling me after she moved out, you continued to see her?
Yes.
Or shut
Push
it up?
yourself over. Come on,
That's what you
buddy.
said. I'm still
Come
asking you
on.
a question, sir.
The-
What would have prompted her to give you $3,700 the week that she moved out?
Well, in September of 2006, she moved away
You
to college.
can't get that
about
arm
2 hours away
underneath.
from where I live.
Almost, buddy. Almost. Try.
Going back to 2005, sir, I'm asking.
Come on, bud.
But this is why
I've asked you a
Try
very
again.
away, far away once before, and we remained
Come on,
together.
buddy.
So when she was just moving up closer to school, I
Try
thought we were going to
again.
remain together. And for about the first month and a half, we remained together. We still did everything that we did together. She was just paying the bills.
Who are you talking to?
We were playing the video
Explain
game, but we were married.
explain the $3,700.
Oh.
She gave me the $3,700.
We giving up?
To pay the bills. We had
Okay,
a
until
$3,000
next time.
mortgage. We had, kids.
What are you doing with your bib? Oh. Oh. Come on, bud. Can't see, Mom. Oh, there's an eye. There you go. You are too cute. What are you doing with your bib? Huh? What are you doing with your bib? What's that? See, I'm gonna roll over, Mom. I'm gonna do it. Look at him grabbing onto the side of the blanket. He's trying to pull himself. Come on, bud. He has got a hold of that blanket. He is determined to roll over. Come on, buddy. Kick those legs. Get angry. Come on. Come on, roll over, bud. Babe is too cute. Come on, buddy. You're so close. So close, yet so far away. And blind at the same time. Ooh, and drooling a lot. Alright, maybe tomorrow night. What's that? Alright, bud. Alright. We'll get you out of there. Oh gosh, that's not pretty. Okay, gotta